Oh my god.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Small Fabulous Home channel. Continuing the bathroom series, let me take you through our bathroom renovation. On our New Year's list we have many things planned and seems like 2021 is making up for 2020's big fail. Thus most of the things on the list are marked with done. The biggest thing there was and had to be the bathroom renovation. Not only it is costly, but also it takes a lot of time and lots more for the cleaning, and mostly because it's quite hard to find professionals in my country. Most of the constructors that are very good have left the country, and those that remained are rarely taking on such a small renovation area. But we got lucky and found a team, and we are very pleased with how they work, but also the way they work. That is also important for me. So let me show you how the bathroom looked when we inherited it from our previous owner. It was okay-ish but needed some upgrades. Didn't like the tiles. I don't consider a good idea made tiles for a small apartment bathroom. Also, we don't have a window, thus a ventilator was really needed. And the main reason why we wanted the bathroom renovated, it was because we needed to connect the washing machine to the main pipe so it would no longer destroy the bathtub. And to be honest, because we live in a small fabulous home, we really wanted our bathroom to look amazing and put lots of months in preparing for this little project. So first thing that I did was to remove everything, and this is also how I realized how many stuff could go in such a small bathroom. I mean, look how we had to put everything in the bedroom, and it was a complete chaos for more than 2 weeks, but it was worth it. Then the hard rock party started in the bathroom while both me and my partner were working from home. Genius. So we started renovating both kitchen and bathroom at the same time. I have shared the kitchen upgrade in a previous video. You can click here or you can find the link in the description box below. Everything is coming together so nicely, like this looks even better than I imagined. but it takes so long. It feels like a million years, but what can you do? You need to follow the instructions. You need to have patience with this. Like, many things will come up along the way that I learned so many stuff with this renovation. It's like amazing. One of the things I learned is that the walls are not straight, which made it quite hard for the tiles to dry as they tend to slip, but they found a way to keep them in place. I think our cat is the saddest one because I moved her litter box over there and she doesn't seem very pleased with it, but what can you do? It's a bit messy, but the dream bathroom is almost done. I am so excited! We started by wanting to change the tiles from this matte to a shiny white tile and my dream of having a bit of mosaic in my own bathroom. This was for my love of mosaic. We also wanted to change the floor color. We really wanted to go with something much more natural, much more modern. As we wanted something much more modern, we had to change the toilet also. It just didn't match everything that we wanted in the new bathroom. A great thing that they managed is to narrow this part here. All the pipes are going through that place, so I can't really get rid of it, but they managed to make this so much better. It's like I gained a few more centimeters in the room. It has so much more space between these two. We kept just a few of the items that we had before, like the sink and the storage below the sink and the washing machine, but we had to get the fancy mirror. We just had to. I try to keep in mind all basic and mandatory items from this list. The one that I shared in this video, the video was done before we even thought of renovating the bathroom. I will leave the link in the description box, but you can also click here to watch it. While I did mention mirrors are quite important, and especially these new LED ones, I didn't mention that they can also come with extra options, which we went for, and surprise, it wasn't between the most expensive mirrors in the shop. But we have USB chargers for either phone or portable speaker. It also has a demist option, which keeps the mirror surface free from fog and steam. And for a more relaxing mood, I can turn off the light. It seems we are more into LED lights, thus we also upgraded the light fixture, and I love how we can change it from cold to warm color. Now for the storage spaces, I didn't want to have all the shampoo and shower products standing on the side of the tub as they tend to slip, so we got the wall shelf where we can store all our things. Plus, it's right there next to the tub, always when you need it. Behind the door I used to have this storage unit, which was useful but needed an upgrade, so we got these wall units, which we can use for all our stuff. This also leaves me room here for the cat's litter box and the laundry basket. We added a ventilator as we don't have a window here, also a radiator, and this is our new tub. We love to spend time here, thus completely removing it was not an option for us. This was my bathroom renovation project. Hope you liked it. Please share your comments below. Like, share and subscribe. I would really love your support. Next video will be bathroom deep cleaning after renovation. So click that bell button to be notified. Have a great day from Small Fabulous Home.